Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be playing some more teardown, and yeah, this is the very next day and Kisa's still on my lap. Well, actually, she's not still on my lap, but she's on my lap again. So yeah, today we're going to be playing some more teardown and we're going to go back onto the campaign. And yeah, see what happens. That's alright, kitty. Amateur, new rank, new tool. Okay, nice. Starting off the video with a new tool, I guess. Do we get it? Oh wait, is that... What is this? A blowtorch? Oh yeah, I can upgrade it. I'm guessing this thing can cut through metal. I can't cut through bricks, is that right, Kiesel? You're a very cute kitty. She's just looking at you guys. Okay. So I'm guessing we can drive this? Probably not though. What is this? This is a drill. I was like that when I got here. Let's just cover that up. Yeah, let's just cover that up. Yeah, let's just pretend like that didn't happen. Okay, let's put it over here. Right. Also, what's this area? Oh. So we got whatever this is. Oops. Oh, this is slow. This is like an elevator, and there's a. Is that a fridge? It's kind of pathetic. What is this? Can you just tell me? Yeah, it looks like that thing is a. I don't actually know what that is. Slash. Reminds me of Five Nights at Freddy's when I do this. Don't know why. Hey, what is this? Oh, drywall sheet, okay. Slap. So now I got a blowtorch, which is nice. Wait, does that mean I can do this? Oh, yeah, I don't need that. Right, now, get the I-beam out. Nearly there. Okay, now that should... Oh, no. And set everything else. Ow, that's actually hurting me. Extinguisher up. Hey, sure. Now I guess we got a blowtorch, but I want to start this quick. Need coffee. Turned off the gas. Okay. Ooh, marina too small, okay. What's this? Making space. West Point Marina. Okay. Play mission. I should have upgraded my tools. You sure, cute cat. Oh, looks like we've got a boat. Yep, we've got a boat this time. Smiley face. Also, just saying, but I had school today and earlier I finally got vaccinated, which is great. So yeah, I think I'm immune to the virus a bit more. I've already had the virus, but I think I'm a bit more immune. Okay, 40 quid for that. I can hear Frank just outside my door. Okay, sorry, I'm wearing a little Frank shirt. Just saying, not much. My uncle made it for me. So I'm guessing these things have alarms. Oh, demolish. Dump this in the ocean. Warehouse save. Dump in the ocean. Okay. So Frank, stop scratching my door. Wait, can I drive this? Okay, neat, I can. Screwed. Okay. Oh, whoops. Where am I going? I want to destroy the little house. Oh, there it is. Okay. I think I gotta go this way. Hit that on accident. Kisa's lying down, which is good. Good enough. can I get out? Yeah, I can. Okay, nice. Can I take this, please? Can I drive these boats? Oh, you can drive boats? Oh wait, it's attached to the thing now. That's fine. Okay, what happens if I detach that? I'm guessing this thing's like floating. Up. Get. Up. Up. Yes, kiss up. You just hear that? That's adorable. Ow. Can I get out? Oh, you can. Okay, nice. 2 meters too tall. How is... Oh, okay. You can go down with it. You can go down with it. Oh no, I just fallen in. Nope. Can I get in? Oh no, that was an accident. Okay, yep. Hit. How's this? Up. Chimney. 5 meters, 0.4. 0.4. 3 meters. 3 meters, 1 meter. Oh, 1 meter. I fell in. Maybe I can destroy stuff from down here. Seriously, how much of this house do I need to destroy? Maybe I should just destroy this whole roof. Okay, imagine if I had a bomb. This would make stuff way easier. Oh, E-grab valuable. Oh, design a life vest. Okay, nice. Let's see. Good thing I go this way. Oh, I missed. Okay, well, how are you not done yet? Now, can I burn you or something? Like, oh yeah, no, it's wood. I'm gonna let the fire do the work. No, I might give it more fire. Excuse me. Oh, there's a fire alert? Oh no, 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 I can't restart this. No. No more fires. No more fires, no more. Where is the fire even? Okay, no more of that, thankfully. Now I got to dump 2 saves in the bin, and I'm guessing they have alarms? Like, you remember in the last episode, we got caught to an alarm which led to a helicopter. It sucked. So, hopefully, to avoid doing that, but I think, basically what I'm saying is, I think we have to, like, you know, do it in time. So, yeah. This window we can take down, alright? Stop. Okay, just refurnishing it. Not this table either. Gonna knock that down. Gonna knock this down. Actually, no, I think this one can just go out the window. And into the water. Close enough. Okay, breaking stuff inside it. Okay, where is the safe? Oh, it's that. Okay. I'm still curious, like, if they other than a vacuum. Ooh, it's actually pretty good. This one, the poor toilet, and I accidentally found the room. Quite valuable. Antique art. Antique pirate sword. That was just art. So I guess I accidentally found that while destroying a toilet. You know what? Every time I find a toilet, I might just destroy it. Hopefully it actually reveals something. Don't need to destroy that. I love this game, just so yeah, I'm making a full-on series out of this, hopefully. It's a perfect little hiding spot in case the helicopter comes. Ooh, what's that? Decorative swordfish. You can just go out the window. I don't know why I'm messing around. I feel like I should be grabbing the safe, whatever it is. Okay. Upstairs time. Checking. Any stuff? Oh no, I need that light. Okay. No, I didn't. Maybe that's power generator. What are you? Nope. Oh, the safe zone. Then what is this place? Is this place like an office? Yes, yes. Yoink. Antique pirate dagger. I guess it's like this place like used to be run by pirates. So yeah, I don't trust bookshelves now. Gotta search behind them each time. Where's the safe again? Oh yeah, no. Do you have an alarm? No, you do not. But you are very heavy. Also, I've just seen that it said 2 required and 1 optional. Okay, so what do you think that means? All I got for an answer was a tail wag. It's not right, Kiesel. Yeah. I'm guessing 1 tail wag means yes, 2 means no. And 3 means leave me alone. No. Okay, maybe I can use this? No. Roll it. No, if only I had like something to drag it along with. Like, imagine if I was able to like drag it along with a vehicle, that would be good. It's so heavy. Okay. You can just get out my way. Especially you, door. Okay, blow torch. Fire extinguisher. Blow torch, get out of the way. Whoop. Okay, now I can turn off my flashlight. I can get out of here. This. Just come with me. Come on. Come on, safe. I'm going faster for some reason. Now, I've just had an idea. If these things do actually have an alarm, then I can just put them right here. And just dump them in after. Oh. Okay, never mind. So, wait, mission complete. Oh yeah, that one's optional, but I feel like I should do it. I'm gonna do it. Do it. I'm gonna do it. Yep, so I'm gonna do it. No thanks, boat. I'm going. Also, what's this thing? Raise. Oh no, wait. Oh, lower. Oh, that's actually cool. with me. Can I take these buttons with me? That would be cool if I could. Does that mean I can just take that ledge? Oh no. Oh no, never mind, I can take it. I think that's kind of funny. I like that. Can I drag it? No. What are you? You're fine. What about you? You think you would let me through? Nope. Nope, it's a good thing I got this thing. Perfect. Okay. Forklift. It's very windy outside. I think you can just see like Kisa's little butt right here, which is kind of funny. I think that's the only part of her that you can see. Oh, I think that's a valuable. Yep, it is. Drink. Pressure calibrator. Gonna knock these pipes out the way as I go. Alright, look, it says Lee. Okay, I'm gonna take that. Oh no, I was gonna try and take it with me, but I guess not. Get out the way of a forklift. It should be right there. There it is. Okay, gonna take this. Gonna go up here. Jump up. Jump up. I said I was gonna jump up. There we go. Jump up here. Go over here. Jump up here. Jump through there. Yoink. You're mine. Now that's against the window. Now I'm going to put the forklift down, go over here, and try to pick it up. So, oh no, that was a fail. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it this way. Right, go on. Why does it have to be so heavy? Let's go. Flip you over while I go. Come on, let's flip you over. Also, just saying, but like in the menu, like you know when we go into campaign and sandbox and that, I saw that it said mods, so yeah, I might get one of those on this channel in the future, hopefully. Okay. Imagine if there were infinite ammo. I could use this blowtorch forever. That would be awesome. Sadly, this thing, and these things are the only thing that's infinite right now that I know. There might be future tools, possibly, hopefully. Like, it would be kind of boring if there was only like 3 tools or 4. Come on. Yes, yes. Come on, you can. Oh, are you kidding me? Just like a little curve. Come on. Move it. Okay, sure. I think I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, move you out the way and go straight to you if I'm able to drive you. Yep, perfect. Go in the water! Oh, that's drive vehicle. Where I say grab valuable. Got my hopes up then. Hey, if that didn't work, maybe I can use a car to get it in. Okay, maybe not. How am I gonna get you in? Spray paint everywhere. Smiley face. There we go, there's a little smiley face. Okay, come on. Okay, come on, come this way. Come on, you're going with me. You're coming with me. Yes, yes, go this way. Right, you're going to be right. No, wait. I just had an idea. Okay, I'm gonna keep that there. Now I'm going to try and lift it up a bit. Okay, put it like right there. Come on, face up, face up, face upwards. Okay, not fine. I'm gonna do that. Put that there. Okay, do this. Come on. Yeah, come on. Do you think I could? Yep. Oh yeah, yep. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, good. That's progress. For some reason I can't lift it up like that, but I can lift it up like this. Which is weird, but I can do it. I did it. Okay, finally. Is there a boat I can take? Can I take this one? Yeah, never mind again. Okay, vehicle condition. And for some reason I'm invisible. Oh no, I think my finger like is asleep possibly. Oh no. But I can't feel it. You know when it's all tingly and you just can't feel it? I can't feel them. I like you so. Finally, we're getting to the end of it. I think I'm gonna have to make a quick stop. Just to go over here. Oh yeah, no, that's much more like it. If I tried to go over here with that one, I would have taken a long time. Hey, I've even got the option here. I'm probably gonna call this video I got the vaccine. This key's on. So I guess we've done that. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, what? The new tool has been delivered? Okay, nice. Wait, why are we on the roof? Oh, that's confusing. Smash. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you next time. Bye!